Hey everybody, welcome to our week 5 lesson of Understanding Art Worlds, and we're focusing today on the artist Rene Magritte. I hope you enjoyed the video with Mati and Dada. I got to see some of Magritte's sort of strange, mysterious paintings. So I've created a choice board for you today. Again, you guys are the artists, your home is your studio, so you are always free to explore and create your own ideas. These choices are just to help you if you get stuck. But some ideas based on the video and the subject of surrealism is to create a picture, collage, or sculpture of opposites, sort of the painting that they described that was day and night. You could try a couple examples of that. Think about things that are opposite and try to create some sort of artwork that shows that. You could create an artwork that represents something unusual or strange. In surrealism, um, there is sort of like this option here is to create something two-dimensional or three-dimensional to represent a dream. There is a dream-like sort of weird, if you ever remember some of the dreams you have, they don't ever really make sense. So that's part of surrealism, but they also focus, which what I'm talking about here is two different categories known as juxtaposition and the other is dislocation. And what I mean juxtaposition is to place two objects side by side that don't normally go together. And I'll show you what I mean. Lobster Telephone by the artist Salvador Dali, who is also a surrealist artist, is this idea of juxtaposition. A lobster and a telephone, two things you normally would not see together, but he put it together in his artwork. Dislocation is another example of surrealism. Now here we have like these trees with a tea kettle or coffee pot and mugs at the tops of the trees, and turned over on the sides and people with umbrellas here. Instead of liquid tea coming out of the teapot, it looks like we've got a tea leaf coming out. So it's very strange sort of way of thinking about how things are supposed to be and changing them, putting things where they don't belong. And here's another example of, we've got an elephant and instead of the elephant's trunk, which they blow out if it makes a horn sound, you've got this big horn instead of a trunk for the elephant. And here, the deer, instead of antlers, it looks like they have a harp. So sort of using the musical instruments that make sort of the sounds of the animals and just putting them on the animals. And then if you look closely, you can see here in the clouds, it's like music notes. So another real strange but interesting way of creating unusual surrealist like artwork. So hopefully you've got some great ideas. This artwork is kind of fun and interesting to do. So now I would like you to go be artists. Can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Until next time, bye-bye.